Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV, the only pit stop you need for everything fast, futuristic, and four-wheeled. Today, we're diving into something that's shaking up the EV market in a big way at the 2026 Geely EX5. Geely, the Chinese automotive powerhouse, has been on a mission to redefine electric mobility, and with the EX5, they're not just participating, they're competing. So buckle up, because this compact electric SUV might just be the budget EV game-changer you've been waiting for. Exterior. Let's start by talking about what you see first: its exterior design. The Geely EX5 has gone through a complete makeover for 2026, and it shows. Up front, you're greeted with a striking closed-off grille typical of EVs, giving the front a futuristic, aerodynamic flair. Slim LED headlights sweep backward into the fenders, connected by a thin light bar that gives it a bold, high-tech presence. At night, the bumper has been reshaped to give it a cleaner, more aggressive look, and there's a functional air intake design lower down that subtly hints at performance without going overboard. From the side, the EX5's proportions scream balance. It's compact yet muscular, with sharp creases that run across the body, breaking up the simplicity with just the right amount of drama. The slightly flared wheel arches are filled with 18 or optional 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and they look right at home. The floating roof effect, thanks to a blacked-out C-pillar, adds a modern touch, while the frameless doors and flush door handles continue the premium EV aesthetic. Its low drag coefficient, around 0.28, helps with efficiency and range. And that subtle detail is not just for looks up, it's purposeful. As we walk to the rear, things get even more interesting. The 2026 EX5's rear design is clean and sophisticated. You get a full-width LED taillight bar that gives it a striking nighttime signature. It also integrates dynamic turn indicators that glide as they blink, adding a level of elegance not always seen in this segment. A slightly raised rear spoiler and a sculpted bumper complete the look, while the absence of exhaust outlets reminds you that this is a fully electric vehicle. The rear hatch opens up wide, offering great cargo accessibility, ideal for both daily duties and weekend adventures. Interior. But the real magic starts when you step inside. The cabin of the Geely EX5 is where this car really starts to punch above its weight. Geely has loaded this interior with features and materials that feel far more premium than its price suggests. Soft touch surfaces dominate the dashboard, while brushed aluminum accents and ambient lighting elevate the overall vibe. The centerpiece is a stunning 15.4-inch portrait-style touchscreen that floats on the center console. It's powered by Geely's GalaxyOS, which is fluid, intuitive, and customizable, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And right in front of the driver, there's a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster with crisp graphics and plenty of customization options. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and multifunctional, offering haptic feedback controls, and behind it, paddle shifters aren't for gear changes but for adjusting regenerative braking strength. The EX5's front seats are ventilated and heated, with power adjustability and memory settings in higher trims. Rear passengers are treated to impressive legroom, thanks to the flat floor design made possible by the dedicated EV platform. Even taller adults will find it comfortable, and the rear seats can recline slightly, which is a nice touch. Storage is also well thought out, with deep door pockets, a spacious center console bin, and a wireless phone charging pad under the main screen. Performance. Now let's talk about what powers this sleek machine. The 2026 EX5 is built on Geely's Sustainable Experience Architecture platform, which is the same scalable EV platform used by Volvo and Polestar, so you know it's built for performance and efficiency. Under the floor sits a 66 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that powers a single front-mounted electric motor producing around 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. That may not sound like a tire shredder, but it gets the EX5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.1 seconds, more than respectable for a compact crossover. More importantly, the EX5 delivers a real-world range of around 265 miles or 430 kilometers on a single charge, which places it right in the sweet spot for daily drivers. DC fast charging is supported up to 80 kilowatts, which gets you from 10 to 80% in roughly 35 minutes, as perfect for a quick coffee break on a long trip. The regenerative braking system is adjustable, and in its highest setting, you can achieve near one-pedal driving, making urban commutes smoother and more efficient. Handling-wise, the EX5 surprises with its composure. The low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery helps reduce body roll, and the suspension McPherson struts in the front and multi-link in the rear delivers a balance of comfort and agility. The steering is light yet precise, perfect for weaving through city traffic or tight parking spots. It's not a canyon carver by any means, but for what it's designed to do, offer a smooth, quiet, and confident ride, it excels. Safety is another area where the 2026 Geely EX5 impresses. Geely has packed it with an array of active driver aids, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. There's even a level 2 semi-autonomous driving system available in higher trims that can handle highway driving with minimal driver input. Surround view cameras, parking assist, and a fatigue detection system are also available, adding layers of convenience and peace of mind. So, what's all this going to cost you? That's the real kicker. The 2026 Geely EX5 starts at around $27,000, making it one of the most competitively priced EV crossovers on the global market. Even the fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles, including panoramic sunroof, upgraded sound system, and advanced driver assist features, comes in at under $35,000. That's serious value, especially when you compare it to rivals like the Hyundai Kona Electric, Nissan Ariya, or even the VW ID.4. And the best part, Geely is serious about global expansion. While the EX5 is currently focused on the Chinese and select European markets, there are strong rumors of an international rollout coming soon, possibly including North America. If that happens, the EX5 could be a real disruptor, offering cutting-edge design, impressive range, and top-tier tech for a fraction of the price of its competitors. To wrap things up, the 2026 Geely EX5 is not just another electric crossover, it's a smart, well-engineered vehicle that delivers on multiple fronts: style, comfort, performance, and price. Whether you're a first-time EV buyer or just looking to downsize into something greener without compromising on features, the EX5 should be on your radar. Geely has made a bold statement with this one, and if they keep this up, legacy brands better watch their backs. Thanks for tuning into Turbo Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Geely EX5, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more EV and automotive content, and drop a comment below letting us know what car you want to see next. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep it charged.